I feel like everyone should start a YouTube channel, because I feel like everyone can provide their own beneficial value, because everyone goes through different things in their lives. Everyone has a specific perspective. That's why I like podcasts, that's why I like videos. I like listening to other people talk from their perspective. And when I hear people's perspective, I'm like, oh my god, like this makes so much sense. It was something that I've never really thought about before.
Perspective is everything. Everybody has lived, a different life, obviously. So the way that they see the world is going to be completely different to the way that I see the world, the way that Rita sees the world. So, different perspectives, and opening your brain up to understanding, or just, accepting that people view things differently can really, change your life. Take from someone else's perspective who sees something a different way, and you never know what ideas or what things or what change could come into your life if you're open to it.
Exactly. I think the most important thing is being open. I feel like a lot of people are closed off, and I feel like you can't change your life or you can't grow unless you're open to other people's suggestions.
Like Gary Vee says, changing your mind is a strength. But it's so true, sometimes, us as people, we're so stuck on the way that we think, and we think that we're right. And it doesn't mean that we're wrong if we change our brain, or our mind. It just means that, we're open to trying something different to get a different result. And there's nothing wrong with that. I feel like there's no right or wrong. There can't be. Everyone is doing what works best for them, and so that's it.
I think also there's so much information out there on the internet, and I feel like if you compare that with like just being with your friends, like if you have 5 friends, right, and you're constantly getting information from them and that's all you know, right? But if you open your mind up, or even if you just listen to Gary Vee, or you just listen to one piece of content, like you're only going to be getting that information. And so I feel like it's really important to open yourself up to different types of people and different types of topics and suggestions, so you can literally have a completely different person's mind and be open to that and take suggestions from that.
Yeah, like grabbing, it does. Like grabbing different bits from different people and then creating your own opinion or your own perspective on it. You can grab from a whole bunch of different people and then make up your own mind. Just because somebody does something the way that they do it, it doesn't mean that you have to do it that way. Less judgment of other people's perspectives and more openness to understanding why they think that way, and seeing if there's anything that you can take. You don't always have to, agree or even want to or like the way that they think, but you can really, if you just listen or open
try
your
to understand
brain,
and empathize with another person, for sure. I always like growing myself, building myself, and trying to be the best version of myself every single day. And I think reading books, listening to podcasts, obviously like such a great thing, but you need to take absolutely every single information that you can, but you also need to have it in your mind that you need to make a change.